Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to redeem Zara gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In order to redeem your gift card for Zara, go ahead and type in Zara gift card redeem in the search box at the top. Press the enter on your keyboard and from the search results on the next page, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to find this link right here that says how to use a Zara gift card online - where next. If you click on that link, this will take you to a new page. Here in this page, you'll be guided on how you can easily redeem your gift card for Zara online. If you scroll all the way down until you see this gift card activation page link over here, click it on and this will redirect you to the gift card activation page for Zara. Type in your gift card number into the first text box. Your gift card number will be available at the back of your gift card for Zara. Now head over to the next field and type in your CVV number. Your CVV number is 3 to 4 digit long and is unique to each credit card and only appears on the card itself. So simply type in your CVV number and head over to the next field where it says activation code. The activation code will be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Finally, after you are done typing it in on the next field, type in the text that has been shown in the text box over here. Make sure to type it in correct and finally click on activate beneath. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Zara quick and easy online. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.